Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need 2 quick checks before you change anything. Make sure Hotstar is updated and your connection is stable, because lag can mimic subtitle delay. Once done, play the video and note how far subtitles lead or lag in seconds. Now pause and go to Player Controls. This is where you'll apply the offset. Don't waste time reinstalling. Start with the in-player controls because they adjust timing immediately and reveal whether delay is network or sync related. You'll use the subtitle timing controls to fix sync. Open the subtitle or CC menu, then choose subtitle timing or offset. Use the plus and minus buttons to shift by 0. 5-second steps. Smaller steps prevent overshooting. After each adjustment, play 10-20 seconds to check lip sync and dialogue alignment. If it still lags, move in larger jumps of 1 to 3 seconds. Make sure you try both forward and backward adjustments. Once subtitles align, save the offset if Hotstar offers that option so you don't repeat the fix. Restart playback to confirm consistency across the episode or film. If sync reappears, clear the app cache and try again, because corrupted cache can cause timing errors. If problems persist, test the same content on another device to isolate app versus source issues. And as a last resort, reinstall Hotstar. One key troubleshooting tip. If only one title is affected, the subtitle file itself may be wrong.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.